tired?
No, just wake up.
You did not just wake up.
No, I'm not tired.
How are those hiccups working out for you, Island? Look at she's like going through tremors because every time she hiccups.
Daddy, it was just awake.
No.
Hey, beautiful.
No?
Hey, beautiful.
Is it too late? Is it too late?
You're pretty right hand. Are her eyes brown already?
They're really dark gray.
Daddy?
Take her into the kitchen. You'll see your eyes better.
What?
Daddy?